Outdated FAQs break trust fast. In this video, I'll show you how to catch overdue FAQs automatically before users do. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and today I'll show you how to automatically monitor and report FAQ freshness from Notion to Google Sheets and Slack, so nothing goes outdated without your team knowing. Step 1. Schedule trigger. This node runs the workflow automatically every Monday at 10 a.m. It ensures the FAQ freshness check happens on a fixed schedule without manual effort. Step 2. Fetch FAQs from Notion. This node pulls all FAQ records from the Notion database. It fetches titles, SLA status, severity, repository, and last edited details for analysis. Step 3. Compute SLA data. This node maps raw Notion properties into clean, structured fields. It prepares SLA status, severity, URLs, and metadata for downstream processing. Step 4. Update Google Sheets. This node syncs the processed FAQ data into Google Sheets. It appends or updates rows using the FAQ title as the unique match key. Step 5. Filter overdue FAQs. This node checks whether the SLA status is marked as overdue. Only FAQs that exceed the freshness SLA move forward. Step 6. Format overdue message. This node formats each overdue FAQ into a readable alert message. It includes title, repository, severity, suggested action, and FAQ link. Step 7. Aggregate overdue FAQs. This node combines all overdue FAQ messages into a single payload. It ensures Slack receives one consolidated alert instead of multiple messages. Step 8. Send Slack alert. This node sends a warning message to Slack. The alert highlights all overdue FAQs that need immediate review and updates. And that's how you can keep your FAQs fresh, accurate, and SLA compliant using automation. If this helped, stay tuned for more such videos. See you in the next one.